Well, first of all, the Inner Northern Expressway, which is being helped by Salid, 15 kilometers. You can see that's almost completed. The bridge has crossed. The last time we went there, they assured us that within 1 week that they would have casted the bridge. Today we rode on it. We're happy, and we believe by the special grace of God to one of the projects that we inaugurated by Mr. President during second year anniversary. Here we are in this interchange, Jahi, leading to Kubwa. The contractors have still assured us that they are going to meet up. They are working day and night. Remember last time we came here, this place was not casted, and I have confidence that in the next 2 weeks it will be a different thing. What's more important is the quality of jobs. I'm very impressed with the contractors that are handling the 2 projects we just visited, the Index and this Jahi interchange that goes to Kubwa. I'm very happy with what we are doing.